Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. See, last class we learned area of the triangle with given vertices a of x1 y1, b of x2 y2, c of x3 y3 is half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 x3 y1 minus y2. Already we derived by using which plane? XY plane. See, in the school level we know that area of the triangle ABC is half base into height. Now that one we converted in the form of XY plane, that is in the form of the algebraic form, that is area of the triangle ABC is half the x1 y2 minus y3 x2 y3 minus y1 x3 y1 minus y2. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಮುಂಚೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ರೀ, ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಹೈಟ್. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಅನಾಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ 2D ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ವಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ದ ವಿಚ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ analytical geometric form, algebraic form. Okay, and also last class we discussed what the examples based on finding the area of the triangle ABC, as well as if the points are collinear then the area of the triangle is 0, or if the area of the triangle is 0 then the points are collinear. Okay, now today we will take another one example, that is find the altitude of the triangle. Means we have to calculate nothing but height of the triangle with vertices mentioned, with vertices A 1 minus 3, B 3 4, C 5 2 drawn from A. This is given example. Okay, see what is given. Consider the triangle ABC, correct? And A point is mentioned 1 minus 3, and B point is mentioned 3 4, and C point is mentioned 5 Now we have to calculate altitude from A. This is AD, his altitude from A. Means we have to calculate nothing but the distance of AD. Okay, are you understood? ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವರ್ಟಾಸಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಹೌದು, ನಾವೇನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಅಲ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬಟ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎತ್ತರ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಇಂದ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಹೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದು? ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬೇಸ್. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಡಿ. See, the vertices are given, therefore we can say that these are constants x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y2. Okay, now we have to calculate area of the triangle. Area of the triangle ABC is formula as already we know that half, correct, x1, correct. What is our x1? 1. x1 y2 minus y3 4 minus 2 plus x2 is 3 y3 minus y3 is 2 minus of minus 3, correct, y3 minus y. Next x3 is 5 y1 minus y2 y1 is minus 3 y2 is minus 4. Okay, now we take it as of the form half 1 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 3 minus 2 minus 3 come plus 2 plus 3 5 plus 5 minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. Okay, half 2 plus 15 minus 35. Correct. We get half 17 minus 5. Correct. Now we got this is of the power minus 18 by 2 means minus 9. Correct. We got the answer. Area of the triangle ABC is minus 9. Okay. Therefore, we know that area of the triangle ABC is, see, area always we considered as positive, therefore you can write this 9 square units. Right. Next, see, next step is, as we know, see, as we know that in general area of the triangle ABC is half base into height. Half base into height. Base, this is BC, height is AD. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತೀರಿ? ಹಾಫ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಹೈಟ್. ಪಾದ ಗುಣಿಸು ಎತ್ತರ. ಪಾದ means this is base, height is here AD. Height, or you can say that altitude. And already we calculated area of the triangle ABC. Area of the triangle ABC is what? 9. Half base. What is our base here? BC. Into height. Height is what? AD. And next, see, 9 into 2 cross multiply. 18 is BC into AD. Correct. But now we have to calculate the distance of AD. For that, 18 by BC is AD. 18 by BC is AD. So this is equation 1. And we can calculate BC. Very simple form. You can calculate BC by very simple form. B point is already given 3,4 and C point is given 5,2. Now we have to calculate distance between B and C. Now we have to calculate distance between B and C. Actually, which formula we are using? Distance formula. Say these points are x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now we have to calculate distance of BC. As you know, the formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Correct. Next, this is root of x2 minus x1 means we get 5 minus 3 whole square. Next, 2 minus 4 whole square. Now we get, see, 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 square plus 2 minus 4 minus 2. We get root 4 plus 4. We get root 8. Root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. Root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. Okay. And next we have to calculate the distance of AD. AD we know that 18 by BC. Correct. Therefore, this is 18 by 2 root 2. 2 ones are 9s are. Therefore, AD is 9 by root 2 units. Now you can get like this the answer of the altitude of the triangle ABC. Are you understood? Such type of example is asked in the exam for 3 marks question. This is a 3 marks question. Very simple, nothing is there. Only just very first step is calculate area of the triangle ABC. Later onwards apply area of the triangle ABC is half base into height. Substitute the value. Now we get AD nothing but height. And BC, for BC we have to apply distance formula and simplify, we get 2 root 2 and substitute the value, we will get AD is 9 by 2 root 2 units. In this way we calculate. Okay. The similar type of next example energy home. Please try that example in home. Okay. Find the length of altitude through A of the triangle ABC, where A is -3, B is 4, -1, and C is 5, calculate the altitude of the triangle ABC. What we have done the previous example. Example is similar. Try to solve it. Okay, and remember that this is what we have done, the introduction of analytical geometry. Next class I will take trigonometry. Therefore, please, what I given in trigonometry, the basic concepts, please better you take that one. That is helpful for doing the next syllabus. Okay, thank you.